Okay, so AngelLoader development update. I did some things here. This is the Thief Gold version. It's got the Thief Gold contest missions in it. This not quite final, but anyway, you can zoom the README, and it will save the zoom between READMEs in case you're like me and your monitor is positioned weird and you want it a little bit bigger, and it saves it on quit and restore and all that stuff, and you can reset, or you just like, control 0 or freaking whatever. So like that's just a convenience thing. But let's just get rid of the data here. Hope it works. There we go. But I've got the README choosing stuff working. So if there's more than one README, let's see here. It's like New Dark Loader in that regard, right? Oh, it didn't work. Oh, hey, that's great. Well, anyways, if you've already chosen a README, you get this little drop down where you can choose again, like right there. And I'm going to have to move this stuff because it actually does get in the way of text sometimes. But, it's just kind of there at a basic level. And if you... I have to go to my secret folder. Oh, hang on. I got a better idea. Open file location. I was hoping you'd do it in a new window, but sure. Oh boy. The folder's revealing all the secrets. What am I doing here? Oh, that is what I want. Cache stuff. Mumble. This is an exciting frickin' update. What am I looking at? FM data. Oh, yeah. Delete it. There we go. Now, we just properly scan the junk. Oh, but wait. No. Oh. Yeah. It doesn't... If you go too fast, it doesn't always work. It kind of puts up a blank thing sometimes if you go too fast, so I'm going to have to fix that. But what you're supposed to do is if you come across a multiple README thing here, first thing you choose is this. And this is, of course, like New Dark Loader does this in case the spoiler README would have come up automatically. You don't want to see spoilers, so it just lets you choose. And then once you've chosen, then you can always get it and choose this stuff there. So, yeah, that's the thing. Another thing that I done... Oh, yeah, we'll have to figure all that out. Another thing that I did is, like, say, you got your first mission selected, and you want to select another mission, like you're playing this one, right? So you go, okay, you're playing this one, and when you start your program back up, it'll start you right at there. I don't think New Dark Loader does this. I think it just puts you at the top unless you got it filtered. But anyway, that's another thing that I did. Oh, let me take a look at my thing here. See, this is my to-do list. This is personal info. Very, very dirty and scandalous. So yeah. Choose README, save and restore, zoom, fix the name mismatch. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. A lot of stuff I've done in the last couple of days is technical. Maybe I should do coding streams and nobody will care. But anyways, that's kind of what I'm doing. The thing is, this stuff. The thing is, handling FMs with the archives and the installed and the cache file, which is like the data.ini, is a lot more difficult than you might think. I mean, you might think, well, you just take a zip file, you just extract it to a folder with the same name but with the extension lopped off, and Bob's your uncle, right? Bob is your uncle, right? No, unfortunately, it's not quite that simple. Folders have to be no more than 30 characters, and they got to have different characters replaced. And the thing I'm aiming for, and I don't know if I'll be able to hit it or not, but what I'm trying to aim for is to have AngelLoader just be a drop-in replacement. So whether you've been using FMCell or New Dark Loader, you can just start using this, and it shouldn't be confused by your other entries and data and stuff in there. It should just like get all your FMs properly, sort them all out, import like newdarkloader.ini and fmcell.cache and whatever, and just work. Which is something I've kind of been putting off doing. The system for finding FMs that I have now is kind of kludgy and doesn't work in all cases. So, yeah, that's a thing that I have to do once I start working on proper stuff instead of this silly, useful junk. So, that's the goal, and that's probably why this might take slightly longer than maybe you might think. Yeah, it's just keeping three different things in sync when either one of them could go away, like, your archives could be deleted or new ones could come in. Your FM's folders could be deleted manually, like they probably won't, but if they do, I gotta handle it, and the cache could get corrupted or deleted or whatever. Yeah. But one word here, though, about this game type scan, because, the old DarkLoader, it was just one standalone program where you would just have your thief folders and it would just handle everything. Like, it was just one program and it would know where your folders were and it would just run the appropriate game. And then with New Dark, with FMCell and New Dark Loader, the system sort of changed. The standard is that you have to attach your loader to a specific install of Thief, right? So if you attach it to your Thief 2 thing, then you just got Thief 2 FMs that you can play with that particular program. And there's reasons to do that, I guess, because, first of all, it's harder to scan for game type with New Dark, though, as you can see, I figured it out here. But it just kind of makes things easier, sort of. But on the other hand, it is kind of awkward, because you got to have, multiple installs. Like, say you got Thief 1, Thief 2, Thief 3, and System Shock 2. You got to have, copies in all of those folders. And it kind of got to, duplicate and set your settings all the time. And I don't know. I'm not sure how other people feel about this is the thing. We're all kind of used to it now, but I'm just thinking, I'm not sure if maybe people would want to use something like New Dark Loader or old Dark Loader. I'm not sure if people would want to use a standalone app like the old Dark Loader or not, because I could easily make this be that, and it kind of is halfway there right now already for strange technical reasons. So, I'm aiming to, make that possible, but I don't really know whether people want that or not. I kind of think that would be neat for me, but it's not a huge world-ending thing either way. But that's kind of my thought process. Maybe it'd be easier to just manage all your stuff in one central location. I don't know, but whatever. I have been playing stuff with this, though, as I said, like this, a Burke in a room, by which they mean an amazing city by son of a dude, which is suspiciously seeming like a particular guy who is not named son of a dude style, but, well, whatever. Yeah, I'm just babbling now. So,